Where are we today, David?
We're here at Oconee State Park, getting ready to do a section hike of the Foothills Trail. We're not going to Table Rock.
Nope. Don't even think about it.
We're going to Jumping Branch. We're actually going farther than Jumping Branch. We're going farther than Hidden Falls. We're going about 7.2, right? Nichols Ford. So that's where we're headed. On the Foothills Trail.
We're going to take it real slow and see how far we get.
Real slow, real easy.
Mm-hmm. That way. Spirit Trail to Hidden Falls.
Saw your squeeze system.
Woo!
Dirty water goes in the bag.
First water available on the trail, and we're, what, almost 3 miles in?
Something like that. Dirty water goes in the bag, fill the bag up, put the Sawyer squeeze on, squeeze it into your bottle. Just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It took us, it is now 4:53 in the PM. It took us approximately 2.5 hours to walk 3.6 miles. So we can either camp here for the night,
Nah.
or we can continue on to the Lick Log campsite, 4.7 miles further on the trail. Now, it took us 2.5 hours to walk 3.6 miles. It's going to take us at least 3 hours to walk 4.7 miles. Now, we're moving a little bit faster now than we were when we first started because we took our time. So it's currently 5 o'clock. That would put us getting at that campsite, let's say 8 and 8:30 if we haul booty.
Hoof it. So are we going to hoof it or are we going to stay here?
I think we should hoof it.
Okay. Looks like a nice campsite back there, but we'll hoof it.
Let's hoof it.
Let's do it. Okay. So if you wanted to stay at this campsite, they do have a fire pit right next to the stream. And it sounds really nice, but I think we're gonna keep going. But they have nice flattened sections to camp. This wouldn't be bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. If you start later in the day, like us, and you want to camp here, this would be a good spot to camp. First view. Made it to Jumping Branch Road. All right, so we made it to 4.6 miles. Started at 2 p.m. It is now, what time is it? 5:30. Made it 4.6 miles. Yeah, moving. We're gonna take a little booty break, rest, and eat a snack, drink some water. Tape up some blisters. First campsite, here's where we stop. like on the log.
There's a net geo shot right there. I'm gonna jump.
I got some. Thank you. Beef jerky. Apple slices.
We know a place called Turtle Town. We probably got some cousins.
Mm-hmm.
Turtle Town, USA.
It's beautiful. Bye, buddy. The Foothills Trail. Good job, everyone who hikes 5 days of this, from Oconee all the way to Table Rock. We made it. This wasn't the end goal, but we were all the way back over here. We started at Oconee. Hiked 5 miles from Oconee. This is 16 miles in, so somewhere halfway, less than halfway, probably somewhere in here. And hiked back. A good first attempt.